Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add emoji on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. And after opening the app, make sure you have added the video or photo that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the emoji, here you can find the sticker option just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the emoji option just right here. Now tap on it. And from here you can simply see a lot of options of the emojis. Now simply tap onto one to add, just like this. And now you can see the emoji has been added. Now you can simply edit the emoji however you like to add it, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can add the emoji in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.